Every time he tried, with rain or reed or roar, he'd sneeze and tumble to the floor. Achoo! Flames would fly up to the clouds and into the sky. Birds would squawk and trees would sway. Oh no! They'd shout, he's sneezing today. Sneeze, sneeze, little dragon, sneeze. Flames and giggles in the breeze. Sniffle, snuffle, tail goes thwack. Careful now, he might sneeze back. He tried to eat his dragon cake, but a pepper flake was a big mistake. He wiggled once, he wiggled twice, then sneezed so hard he froze his ice. Achoo! With a frosty blast, turned his soup to snow real fast. The other dragons wrapped him tight in fuzzy scarves, all warm and bright. Sneeze, sneeze, little dragon, sneeze. Flames and giggles in the breeze. Sniffle, snuffle, tail goes thwack. Cover your snout or step way back. Mama Dragon brought him tea with honey drops and lemony glee. He snuggled close, gave one last puff, then whispered, I've sneezed enough. Sneeze, sneeze, now no more. Baby dragon begins to snore, dreaming of castles, clouds, and cheese, but no more fiery dragon sneezes, please.